Underneath this American robin is a patch of flowers. They attract bees like this honeybee, which is actually non-native to North America and is semi-domesticated. Here in Pennsylvania, there are a little over 400 native bee species. Although that is nothing compared to the world's over 20,000 known species of bees. These little sweat bees we've been seeing belong to the family Halictidae, which is the second largest bee family on Earth. There are so many bees feeding from these flowers that they attract predators like spiders, such as this funnel weaver spider. The bees are not the only ones here for nectar. There are also yellow jackets. These little gnats. And a small wasp. In fact, there is even a fly trying to mimic a yellow jacket. But anyway, back to sweat bees. Like the majority of bees, they do not produce honey, and most do not live in colonies, but are instead solitary. They sometimes land on people because they are attracted to the salts in human sweat, and that is where the name sweat bee comes from. These bees do have stingers, but their sting is very mild, and they are not aggressive. This one belongs to the genus Lasioglossum, which may be the largest genus of bee in the world. And there are several genuses which this green bee could possibly belong to. On the other hand, this is not a sweat bee, but instead a small carpenter bee.